Hello everybody, this is Al with BobCAD. Today I wanted to take a look at working with solids and removing holes from a solid. Now, there's a couple of different scenarios that can come up where you may want to patch these holes or remove them depending on what your next process is. So in this example, the first thing I'm going to show you how to do is cap the holes. If you wanted to machine the top of this surface in 2D or in 3D based off the surface model, you don't want the tool to go down into these holes here. So what you can do is you can cap them. You can create a new layer, go to Utilities, Extract Edges Single, pick on the top surface, and then what that's going to do is give you the wireframe for those holes. Now from there, you can go to Surface Planer, you can grab those two holes, spacebar, and then now what we've done is we've capped them. So we have a surface that's where the holes were, and then we have this top surface as well. Now, that's one method, but you can notice that there are still these holes through the model. So let's say you wanted to get rid of the holes altogether. Well, I mean, to be fair, in this particular example, we could just extract the wireframe from the top here. Let's go ahead and get rid of that. Let's get rid of this here. And what we could do is we could just extrude the surface again as a new model. Let's just make it -1. We could extrude the surface again as a new model. And then now we have a new model without any holes, because this shape was really simple. But so we could cap the holes, we could just re-extrude the model if it's a simple shape. But another thing that we could do here as well, let's bring the model back up. So what we want to do is we want to really remove these holes and altogether based off this existing model. So the first thing we're going to notice, this is a bunch of surfaces here. So if it was a solid, what you could do is Utilities, Stitching, Unstitch Solid to Surfaces, and that would break it down to the surfaces. But in this example, I'm just going to delete the surfaces that are in the center, but our top surface and our bottom surface still have holes in them. We can try to untrim our surfaces, and that brings it back to the original surface, but you can see we have these edges there. So again, what I would do, I'm just going to add another layer, Utilities, Extract Edges Single, we'll grab the bottom face, we'll grab the top face. So now we have the wireframe for those two faces. We'll delete our holes, we'll delete our surfaces. Okay, and then now what we want to do is we want to generate a surface planer for this shape, and then we'll do one for the bottom shape. We'll turn our model back on, and then we'll just stitch our surfaces back together. So depending on what the application is, you have a number of different options that you can use in order to cap the surfaces of the holes, re-extrude a solid altogether, or delete your surfaces that have the holes in them, and then generate new ones, and then stitch everything back together. Hopefully that was helpful for you guys. If you have any questions about it, please comment back in the thread or on the Facebook or YouTube page. Hope you guys have a good day. Thanks a lot.